committing all kinds of atrocities with impunity. Killing, stealing, cheating, inflicting pain. Just for the gain. To them it's like a game. Not considering how it will end tomorrow. It will surely end in sorrow. Oh, the wages of sin, the wages of sin is death. Oh, the wages of sin, the wages of sin is death. What a live on, oh, what a live on, Parents, be careful, because your children are watching.
37,000. Made money.
Sewah!
So much money.
Sewah!
So much money.
Sewah!
So much money.
Sewah! Sewah! Sewah Ibongi! Sewah Konto! Sewah Konto! Sewah Abia! Sewah!
So much money.
One day, I can't believe you made such amount of money. One day I'm gonna do it.
Big money.
Confirm, I can't believe you made such amount of money. One day, I am surprised. There goes.
You owe 11,000. Then I'll go with 15,000.
I know shit.
No. Yeah.
Sewah Koto. Sewah. Because it's confident.
They don't say in the book.
Sewah.
They don't say in the book of Psalm chapter 10 verse 10. Because they know how. Because we don't know how. We other go. They know how.
Come back here. Where are you coming from?
Sewah.
You went to see that useless boy. That's Sewah's house. Adana. Hi. And locked us outside here.
No, I didn't lock you people outside though. I kept the keys under the footmat there.
Under the footmat?
Yes. See.
Mama, you should have looked well. You would have searched under that mat to find out the key before start accusing.
So now you are blaming me now.
Why would
you are blaming me now?
You search very well.
Eh? You are blaming me now. You are blaming me.
Don't put that.
Nah.
Organizo, help your corner. Open the door.
I will kill you in this house. Adana, come back here. I will kill you. Okay.
Oh, Hava. Okay. If you like it, come in. If you don't like that one, it's your problem.
Continue to support her. Continue to support her.
Stay there.
And go inside.
No.
Go inside with your daughter. Like father, like daughter. Maybe because you sold me. Lock me outside. I will not blame you. I will not blame you people.
Come inside, I love this.
I will not come. Hey, go ahead and lock it. After all, I've been outside since. Lock it, oh! Man, I thought you sold. Useless girl.
Now, okay. Hey, Ongondom man.
Yeah, you landed a little bit too late. I just finished this food.
How come the food did you cook?
Your girlfriend Adana cooked this. She came and asked, are you hungry? I said, how did you know? She went straight to the kitchen to cook this wonderful egusi and oha soup.
You mean Adanna?
Adanna! You surprised me? You got a very wonderful girl. She used oha to cook sweet egusi for me. Adanna.
Anyway, Papa, let me go inside and freshen up.
Please do go and take your own share. It's good to eat. Now it is very hot. It is very hot. Oh, young one. On gone man. Hey. This girl is good.
Hello, Sewah.
Hello, Malita. How far?
I'm fine. I feel so good seeing your call today.
Same here. So, anyway, I'm calling to know if you'll be chance tomorrow. At least I'll invite you to my house. If I can be at least for us to get to know ourselves more. Or what do you think?
Yes, I'll be chance, but I don't even know your place.
Okay, don't worry. I will send you the address of my house right away, okay?
Okay. I'll be waiting.
I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Chance, what am I doing at home? Nothing. I can wait. Okay. From Nkwere Junction, enter a bike and tell the bike to take you to Sewah Junction. Okay, darling. I can't wait to see you tomorrow.
Igwe, my fellow elders, but I have to advise that we be careful in whatever we are doing, because harsh decisions are usually taken on the altar of public opinion. Tupu Amambu is Igwe. We cannot just take decision in anybody's absence. We better call him to hear from him, then take decision.
Igwe, my fellow elders, let me add my own voice. You know, I have not been here with you people, but the little time I have spent here is all about Mazim Banefo and his son. Today, stealing, tomorrow, rape, and all that. And the evidences are there. So, I think Igwe has the final say. So, I support him whatever decision he's going to take. Good. Thank you.
Elders, birds of the same feather flock together. Bogom, what we agreed is what we agreed.
Allah na abana opalaga kwa na face of your family. Etu akala si agani.
Ndoka.
Eba something. Kete baba chira nyeba. Obo no briga. Obo no bro ni Igwe chira ndoka.
So, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Birds of the same feather.
It's okay.
It's okay.
I'm sorry if it's okay.
Igwe ndiche. Ndi bopo sina atu inu ngreganta. Ayatala awo. Oh inu ndi bo. Atu inu ngreganta. Ayatala awo.
Oh. Oda bende katago go for na ji nkwala nne. Ntuma nkwala kere nkebo atu inu nganganta. Etala onye ke na akọ inu nganganta. Mu na onye ka ibu.
Ara ni ho ya no.
You are not better of Anglican Kata. And what I'm trying to tell you is this. If you try me, Mbuochigigawan Kata.
Megeje janana. Obo kwa mno nyo ko tubi ku one na ko ko isi nne. Okucha
Which side are you? Which side are you?
Which side are you?
It's okay.
He's always at the right side.
It's okay.
Igwe.
Be properly guided.
1.8. China made.
My chiefs, let us be properly guided.
Sorry, Igwe.
We are sorry. It's enough. It's enough.
It's alright, Igwe, I'm sorry.
As you all know, I received a letter from the chairman of Ichimbanefo's kindred asking for his immediate withdrawal from the Igwe's cabinet. The letter was duly signed by the chairman and secretary of the kindred. I also had a meeting with the President General of our community, the youth president. And after listening to their recommendations on this subject, I have come to a conclusion. Ichiem Banefo has been suspended from the cabinet indefinitely. He will cease to parade himself as a chief. He will not be treated as a chief, and he will not receive any benefit as a chief till all this is sorted. I have spoken.
Is this not tantamount to desecration or sacrosanctity of that man's this is a hard decision that will have to be a desecration of sacrosanctity of his position.
Oh, tantamount to her. Gatapogi. Sacrosanctity.
We cannot just stay here and take decision when the case is very unsubstantiated. Very unsubstantiated.
You know why you are saying this? You are not trying to defend the young man, you are defending yourself because you are worse than him.
Yes. China, made in China, 1.7.
Sewah bunyuli agwayade roma Sewah bagwa Sewah bokembi Sewah bunyuli agwayade roma Sewah koto Sewah koto.
Abby?
Yes.
You come to my house?
I decided to pay you a surprise visit.
This is surprise indeed. I wasn't expecting you. Hey, please sit down.
Thank you.
You came to my house? Yeah. What did I offer you?
Nothing. I'm fine.
This is the first time you're coming to my house and you're saying nothing. No. It does. What do I offer you? Okay, don't worry. I know what to do. I'll get you something. Don't worry.
Okay, water.
Don't worry.
Okay, please, just water.
Don't worry yourself.
Water, please.
A life of crime never pays. At the appropriate time you will pay. This has always been the case since time began. Yet some people refuse to learn. They choose to live a life of crime, committing all kinds of atrocities with impunity, killing, stealing, cheating, inflicting pain just for the gain. To them it's like a game, not considering how it will end tomorrow. It will surely end in sorrow. Oh, the wages of sin, the wages of sin is death. Oh, the wages of sin, the wages of sin is death. Oh, wanna live on, wanna live on. Parents, be careful, because children are watching and learning from you in all you say.
No idea. One name was Sewah.
I'm so glad when I asked your mother about you and she said you have resumed work.
Thank you very much. Thank you for coming through for me. Because if you hadn't, I wonder what would have been my fate. I am here to say very big thank you to you.
I'm so very glad that I came through for you.
Same here.
So, you're not working today?
I have night shifts.
Oh, night shift. I understand. Well, that's good. Well, I have enough time for myself.
It's journey.
You see, all these things sometimes I don't even feel like eating anymore because I get the sugar push meat every day.
I know just please. Yes.
Would that make you happy?
Of course. Tastes nice.
Honestly, I didn't know you were from this city. You like it?
Of course, I am. I'm waiting for my call of later. My dad so the company gave him 1 month leave. So I
Yeah, so sorry about that. You know, that is Psalm 2020. No, I know him, but you don't know him because he's not sent at the village. So sorry about that. So, have you made any friends yet?
Really? Not yet. But I'm trying to, I want to really make friends and all that. I want to have friends. Being at home is so boring. It's something else, like, it's not easy. I want to make new friends. I want to have friends and all that.
Yes, look, I understand what you feel. Being at home and
Seriously, it's not easy. Why is there on my list like that?
Your lips is so soft. I just wish I can have a taste of it.
Really?
Yeah.
Same here too.
Wow.
Sewah, KAYCEE.
Hello, everyone.
Thank you very much.
You know, I don't feel like stopping.
Yes, I feel like I want to spend more time to laugh, play.
Okay. Please let me start going, please.
There's something I want to do. I don't know how you're going to feel.
How I feel about it? Just go ahead and say it. Say it. Oh my word. Okay, please, please. I don't want to start feeling shy. Please just stop. Confession. Okay. I'm listening.
This very strong feeling for you. Maybe this kind of feeling that keeps recurring in my mind that you're my girl. Honestly, I believe everything that the activity and the event that put us together was divinely destined for me to find my missing ring. Please. I want you to be my girl. Please don't say no.
Just stand up first. People might see you. You know this is road. Just stand up.
No. I cannot stand. I have to be here until you look me in the eye and tell me yes. Please.
Okay. I'm looking at your eyes now. And they are beautiful. Your eyes are beautiful.
Is that supposed to be a yes?
Okay, yes.
The wages of sin, the wages of sin is death, oh. We wanna live, oh, we wanna live, oh. Parents, be careful, because your children are watching and learning from you. In all you say, in all you do, they are watching and learning from you. Criminal parents will most likely give birth to criminal children. Oh, if care is not taken, it will remain in the family. Oh, it will surely end in pain and sorrow. Tomorrow, it will surely end in pain and sorrow. Tomorrow.